Hi, boys and girls, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper. On Thursday, January the 14th, 2021, we have in this additional two Sudokus left, binary and a tectonic. But first, I will solve this baby, the binary puzzle. And this will be number 2164. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, I see here 3 ones. The fourth one cannot be here, cannot be there, because it must be in one of these 3 boxes. Otherwise, we have 3 O's in a row in this column. So the one should be in one of these 3. So those other 2 should be an O. Yes. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Number 4, yes. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Yeah. Do I need to compare? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so the rest are O's. Let me count. Let me count. 3. 3. 2, 3. Alright. I need to compare. I think. 101. Oh, almost. Yeah, double O. Do we have a double O? Yes. This and the second column. 1100111111. Empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. With an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And then I need to compare again, I think. Yes, 101. 101. 11. No. Need to compare the columns. 01. Yes. Almost the same. 11. Yes. This column and that column. The first column. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 0, 0, 1, 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Finished in 5 minutes with 2 times, yes, twice comparing. I like this binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you. I will see you in a few seconds with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic one. Tectonic with 4 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.